Hey, I'm Negeen. Honestly, please don't click out. Like, I know apartment tour videos are like really all the same. Like, I feel like every house apartment tour has this same montage. No shade, but I decided, how can I make this a little bit more exciting for myself? So I decided, wow, maybe it's the music choice. What if I did something a little bit more edgy, like this? Do we like it, or was it cringy? I don't know. Anyway, I'm Negeen. Welcome to my home. I live alone. I don't have pets. I don't have kids. I don't got a man. A little loud. So I wanted to show you my one bedroom, my one bath, washer and dryer in unit, apartment that I am fully funding for myself. That smells like independence. Anyway, let's get into the video. I'm so happy you're here. I'll make it fast. Okay, so we are in the entryway. Here's my front door. You come in and then you see this. It's a lot to take in as like, welcome to my home. I think people are like, where am I? I think the running theme with things in my life is I really want to invest my time, my money, my energy into lifetime people and lifetime things, material things. For me, as a birthday gift this year, I really wanted to get like just a statement art piece. And my friend Francesca, who's an artist in New York City, she painted this piece called Woman, and it's just a pure embodiment of feminism. Right in the entryway, we have my dining table. I didn't know if I wanted to keep it when I moved in, but I thought it would just be a great place for people to sit down and have dinner when I'm hosting, and it actually has come in handy. Like, in the beginning, I didn't actually think that I would use my table. Like, who's gonna sit at a table? I feel like we all eat on the couch, but you'd be surprised. The people that come over wanna sit at the table. It's really interesting. Anyway, pro tip, if you are wanting to host people or you're inviting a guy over or whoever is coming into your home, when they walk in, the smell is like the first punch. So instead of putting a candle lit in like the kitchen far away from the door, put something near the door. So for me, I put a nice little Anthropology candle right at the entryway. So when people come in, they're like, ooh, your home smells nice. Or like a Target pumpkin candle. Guys are literally obsessed. They're like, oh my God, your home smells amazing. And I'm like, make yourself at home. It's yours now. Anyway, let's get into the living room, shall we? So right now I'm on my couch in my living room, and I have done a full in-depth living room tour on my channel. You can check it out up here. First and foremost, something that I always get compliments on is my couch. Okay, you know how like couches are $2,000 to like $4,000 if you want a really nice one? When I tell you that this was a steal and it's like the best couch I've ever been on, it was a steal. I literally went to Living Spaces and I was like, show me the best, cheapest couch you have for a small apartment. It is $650. It is the most comfortable couch to sleep on. Every person that has slept on this couch has been like, I've slept so well. To be honest with you, I sleep better on this couch than in my own bed. Blows my mind. You guys, I literally am in the middle of editing this video and my friend Jennifer is in town. Jennifer, you don't want to sleep in my bed because why? She says the couch is so much comfier, so we're setting her up. Oh my God. Not only that, in front of the couch, I have this stunning real wood coffee table. It's mid-century. I got it for Facebook Marketplace, and I would have to say this is like the best piece. But for real, like, I think that like my favorite parts are the intentional decor pieces. For example, the one in front of me, this is actually something that I painted myself because honestly, like I found something similar on Urban Outfitters and I was like, I'm not gonna spend $50 on something like that when I could literally just do it myself. Love it. So the next item in my living room is something that I get so many questions on, and that is the huge mirror behind me. So I will answer where this is from. I actually found it on Facebook Marketplace, but you could find something very similar on IKEA. Man, yeah, that was a great add-on. Love it, obsessed. I would say another one of my most recent favorite add-ons into my living room is this stunning art piece. My best friend Jennifer got it for my birthday. She was like, do you like this? I want to get it for you. And I was like, oh my God, this is stunning. And it's interesting because I didn't know if it would fit well with my living room as opposed to like my bedroom. And it's perfect. I feel like it gives it such like more of a contemporary like 60s vibe to it, which is what I'm obsessed with. Also, plants are trickled around. You know this from my plant tour video. And yeah, this is a little bit of the living room. I almost forgot. Things that I wish I would have done. One, get a rug in my living room. Like, as you can see, it's just carpet. Like, I wish I would have probably taken the time to find like a living room rug. It's too late for that, I feel like. Next up is whenever I'm watching a movie with a guy or like with my friends, I realized that I should actually invest in a sound system. So I got one from Bose from Refurbished on Amazon. Highly recommend, worth the investment. Okay, let's get into the kitchen. Okay, the place where I really feel like is in every single video. I'm obsessed with the kitchen. The island, oh my Lord. Love it, obsessed. This is just such a great place to, well, cook and just put everything on the table. A couple other highlights here is my spice rack. My spice rack is something that I got from Amazon. I ordered all of these empty containers and then I got a label maker and then I just organized my spices. I think that would be like the highlight of my kitchen as well. I did put like a cleaning wooden drying rack that I got from Amazon. To be honest with you, I got like everything from Amazon. Like the cutting board, my cool knives, like everything is from Amazon. But I would have to say my favorite little like decor piece would be the plants that are draping over the fridge. Pothos are so easy. I have a video where I talk all about my plants and how you can do the same too. But I would say that the core focus when people come into my home is what's on the fridge, and like how clean it is. So that is a little bit about the kitchen. Okay, so this is my bathroom. Here's the thing. I really was trying for it to be spa-esque with this waffle type of shower curtain, which I highly recommend. I got one from Marshall's and from Target. These are the best. Like, it makes your bathroom look more, just makes it look nicer and spa-esque. That's really the vibe that I was going for. And also minimal, like literally the least amount of things but make it nice is my vibe. So just kind of like how I got everything from Amazon in my kitchen, everything is really from Target in my bathroom. I'm not even lying, it's like these like weird little sections. But my highlight of my bathroom would have to be this little painting that I did of a spa woman. I think it's so cute, really just kind of ties in the little bathroom vibes that I have. It's really like not much to say on the bathroom part. But I always get asked about the little containers that everything sits in on my bathroom countertops, and those are also from Target. And another thing that everyone always wants to know about is my wooden bath mat. This truly, okay, let me know if you want a video on this, on like a spa-esque bathroom. But if you truly want the epitome of a spa bathroom, a wooden bath mat. And the waffle curtain. I tell you, I literally went to get a massage one day and I saw these two things like right before I was moving into my apartment, and I was like, I need to replicate whatever this is. And so I did. I don't know, it's a vibe. I think that's it on the bathroom. Like, there's not much else to say. Am I missing anything? I don't think so. Let's go into my closet, which is through those doors. Oh, you guys remember my closet, right? Have you seen my extreme closet clean out? PTSD already. I don't ever want to think about that video ever again because, oh, too much work. Anyway, you guys have seen my closet. watch this video get demonetized because it thinks that I have the voice of an actual angel. They're like, sorry, copyright. I have to tell you something. The people next door, well, or the people that used to live here before, I could tell that they were smoking weed, which is fine, whatever, but our ventilation systems are linked together, which means if they're hotboxing the room next to my closet, it means it literally is going through the air vent from my bedroom into my closet. And it was. One day I didn't come home for like 2 weeks because I was on vacation. My entire closet smelled like weed, which means I smell like weed. Anyway, I emailed my complex and I was like, are the vents like linked? And they're like, yeah. And I'm like, okay, all right. Anyway, that's my closet. That's the story behind it. It's cute. We're working on it. Let's go into my bedroom, which is right through these doors. And can I say, if a guy is ever staying the night, like he goes through this door and then it's so dark in here and then he runs into something as he's getting to the bathroom with these doors, it brings me a lot of joy when I hear someone in pain. Okay, so here we are in my bedroom. Literally no magic happens here, and that kills me inside. Okay, so a few of my favorite pieces in my bedroom. Okay, so it has an interesting vibe. It's like I really tried for it to be mid-century, like bohemian kind of vibe, but I got this metal bed frame which ended up making it industrial because it was on sale on All Modern or one of those sites. So, and then my like side tables are this weird industrial kind of vibe. So it really, it's this weird kind of vibe in here. So a few of my favorite pieces in my bedroom are actually a decent amount. Like first I want to start off with Rainbow Woman. This is a piece by Richard Phillips. It's an art piece. You may recognize it from Gossip Girl. I loved it so much that I tried to see if there was a print I could find, and I found it on art.com, so I got it. It was actually a gift to myself again when I was like 20 years old. So I absolutely love that. My bed is really nice, but I would say the best piece about my bed, I know, I'm that girl. Even if a guy sleeps over or something, I'm sleeping with this. So that's something else in here. And I would say I've got a lot of really kind of personal items. I have an art piece that my friend made up in New York, and I have these two vintage oak knoll chairs. They are these wooden, it looks like chairs that are in a principal's office. And I remember like all of my friends, even my like ex at one time was like, these are really ugly. And I was like, we're gonna save it because I love them so much. And I found them like random, I'm like never on Craigslist, but I randomly found it on Craigslist and they were selling for, well, I think $80 for both. And that's amazing. And also I have my office. I work in my bedroom because my desk is in here. But if you want an actual office tour, give this video a thumbs up and I will be sure to make that video. It's not like I have a lot of like nifty stuff, but I mean, it just kind of works for me. I got this table from All Modern. I highly, highly recommend it. I love it. And then on top, I have this wooden shelf that I got from World Market. Yeah, and I just put some really nice statement pieces on there. But yeah, so I hope you really appreciated this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was more entertaining than like informative. Like I hope that you guys actually just enjoyed watching it. But I appreciate you. I hope you subscribe down below and you give it a thumbs up for more videos like this, or if there's a video you want me to make, let me know. With that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Kisses, everyone. Man, my stomach is growling. Time to make dinner.